With regards to my exercise, overall the workout was moderately difficult but manageable. Some exercises were challenging, especially during the cardio movements, because they required endurance and energy. However, the warm-up helped prepare my body, and the cool-down helped me recover afterward. I felt my muscles working and my breathing became faster during the activity, but I was still able to complete the workout successfully. This experience showed me the importance of proper exercise preparation and recovery. After completing the workout, my post-exercise heart rate is 100 beats per minute. I hope you guys will do the exercise also. And thank you also, Sir Wimmer, for encouraging us to do this every day. And it helps remind me that our physical health is very important. Not only work, but we need also to give time to our body to do this exercise. And thank you so much for sharing your life to us, sir, even though it's a late activity, sir, but it's very helpful for me, especially because it's been a long time. I did not do walking like 1 month already, so this exercise helped me. I only do the inward activity, sir. It's because it's very hot here in Saudi Arabia. So thank you very much for helping me and to do this activity, sir. Have a nice day.